Wanna add a location and tag it in your Snapchat story on your iPhone or Android? Let me show you how you can easily do it step by step. First, open up your Snapchat on your iPhone. Tap on this gallery icon. Now pick the photo you want to post. You can choose from your camera roll. That's what I'm going with here. Once you select your photo, look to the right side of the screen and tap the sticker icon. At the top, you will see the location option. Tap it. Now search for or select the location you want to tag. You can move the tag anywhere on your photo. Even change its theme to match your style by tapping on that. Now tap My Story. You can choose your privacy between public or friends. And that's it. Isn't it super easy? Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.